Good morning everyone, welcome back to a what I eat in a day video. This is the most spontaneous what I eat in a day video that I have ever done because I've literally woken up, come downstairs to make breakfast, saw my camera on the side and I was like, do you know what, I'm just gonna film today. So I literally have no idea, like I've got nothing planned, but I am on my way to Co-Box this morning with my friend Venetia. Oh my goodness, there's a cat on my roof. Can you see? The cat was literally just walking up here. That is hilarious. That really surprised me at first. I thought that was a person like walking on my glass roof. I was like, what is going on? What was I saying? Yeah, so I'm going to Co-Box this morning with Venetia, and then I think we're going to grab some breakfast afterwards. But I'm not meeting her for another like hour and a half. And I'm thinking about running to Co-Box as well because I've got loads of time. So I'm going to have a little small breakfast, like a pre-workout breakfast, and then with her I'll have a post-workout breakfast. So I made some banana bread last night. This is literally one of my favourite recipes from Eat Smart. So in there we have got really ripe bananas, buckwheat flour, dates, walnuts, so delicious. And then I'm going to top it with some blueberries. I've got a tea here that I haven't actually had before. This is for Body Balance and it's by We Are Tea, I think, yeah, just We Are Tea company. So that sounds interesting. We'll give that one a go. Glass of water to keep hydrated, obviously. And then I'm also going to add some almond butter onto the banana bread. I'm thinking I might actually toast this banana bread. I'm going to have 2 slices. I normally would just have it like that, but this morning I feel like toasting it. For absolutely no reason at all, but why not? I'll give it a go. My toaster's like hidden behind my book. This is the recipe, by the way, date, walnut and banana loaf on page 214. But yeah, I need to get to my toaster around here. Oh, hot. Here we go. Time to put some almond butter on there and some blueberries. Yum. Okay, I'm going to enjoy this and then go on my run to Co-Box. So Venetia and I did the Co-Box workout. It was so good, so hard. It was all lower body and I'd forgotten that like the day before yesterday I did all lower body and I was in agony, but it was a really, really good class. Do you remember who did it? The name of it? It was Jay something. Jeremy Lifestyle. It begins with a J. Yeah. But he was really great. He was so nice. But now we are in Seacrest for a acai bowl.
I know you say that you were struggling in the class. You smashed it.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh,
your
thanks.
boxing's so good.
Really? Oh, I love boxing so much. You've always been good. You're really good at boxing.
Genuinely, I've noticed a huge improvement.
Thank you. We need to do boxing more.
We do.
Look at these bowls and matcha latte.
Matcha for me.
And I got a cold brewed coffee. And this is the protein. I think this is the protein acai bowl.
It's got hemp protein in it.
Hemp protein, almond butter, and a protein cookie. Yum. And reusable bottles. We always have our reusable bottles with us. Always. Always. Cheers. Tea time. So Venetia is having a PG Tips decaf because I actually didn't have a normal English breakfast. Soz girl.
We can't be friends anymore.
I know, sorry. I will be prepared next time. And I'm just having this green tea by T+, I think this is called. It's like vitamin teas.
I wonder how that works.
Vitamin teas?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I just like the flavours of them. I think this one...
they are so yummy.
This one's orange and blueberry. But, oh, you want some milk in there? I'm not being a very good host. Yeah. Need some milk in there. Oi, I've welcomed you into my home.
We can't be friends anymore. No respect for this.
I'm sorry, I do have some somewhere. So yeah, we're just back at mine and we're gonna be working over here, getting some work done together. Work buddies.
Dream Monday situation.
This is such a nice Monday.
Mondays are really, as a self-employed person, I really struggle with Mondays.
Yeah, I do too.
So when you said A, that you were free,
yes.
B, that you could do a class, C, that your meeting was cancelled, I was just like, yes.
Yeah, it's so nice. I get so productive when I'm with someone else.
Yeah,
like
so
working
productive.
together.
Exactly.
So good. So lunch has arrived. We've come to Hallie's, which is such a lovely kind of lunch place. I normally come here for brunch actually, breakfast at the weekend, but it's such a treat to come here midweek for lunch. So it's such a great day so far. And I've got a surprise surprise for you guys. Mainly me, surprise for me, but look. Joey! He's just got back from a crazy stag weekend in Slovakia.
I'm not really looking like precious. I'm a little bit
I love it when he has stuff on.
very broken.
So he's literally just got off the plane and he's come
Especially long I have about 3 or 4 days.
come straight for lunch with us, which is nice. And he's going to set up office with us at home.
Yeah.
We've never done that before. But more importantly, here is food. Joe's gone for a crab salad, and then Venetia and I, Venetia's just over here, babe. Venetia and I have gone for the same. We've got a goodness bowl, so it's kind of hidden at the bottom, but I think we've just got a whole variety of like roasted veggies, avocado, looks like some asparagus over here and pesto, and of course some sweet potato wedges that we're sharing. So I'm about to go out to a quick event. I'm going to the Ivy Chelsea Garden with Rosanna, the other sister, the other Falconer. She's Venetia's sister, if you're wondering what I'm talking about. I am about to grab a little slice, here you go, of my banana bread, because I'm suddenly hungry. So I'm gonna have this slice, go out. I'm not eating when I'm out. I'm gonna come home and cook because it's not a late one. It's only nearly 6:30, so really early. It's not gonna be late. Pop in, have a quick drink, come home, and yeah, we're gonna cook a lovely meal. We're gonna cook my macaroni cheese tonight. It's obviously all dairy free because everything in this video is plant-based. But time for banana bread first. I'm gonna show you my outfit in a minute as well. So my top is from a brand called Saloni. It's a beautiful designer and I got it at a car boot sale. It was like all for women. It's a charity. So all of the proceeds from the car boot sale the other day went towards that amazing charity. So that's this little top, which I love. My bag is from Kate Spade. Kind of matches the colours of the top. And then my trousers are from Luca. I'll link everything down below, by the way, and then my shoes are from Karen Millen. And I know this is a what I ate in a day video, but I just really like this outfit, so I thought I'd show you. Oh, sunglasses are from Versace, from the Sunglasses Hut. So I'm back home now. It's so nice going to events nice and early, because I literally went in, kind of had a nice chat with a few people, had a drink. I didn't drink alcohol. I don't really drink alcohol that often, so I just had a nice, like, I think it was like a sparkling water berry drink. And I'm back home now with Joey.
Hello.
And we're just cooking. We're going to make my macaroni cheese from Eat Smart. I don't think we've ever made this before, and it's
I know, it's
so
way
good.
overdue.
I think you're gonna like this one.
So
this is actually one of my most popular recipes from Eat Smart. So I've got kind of most of the ingredients laid out here already. We've got 1/4 of a butternut squash, just peeled and chopped by Joe. Half an onion, just diced. I've got garlic in here that I need to chop as well. Then I've got some spelt pasta. We need about 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. We've got some oat milk here. 1/4 cup of cashews that have just been soaking in water for a few hours. Pinch of nutmeg. The juice of some lemon. Got some coconut oil here just to fry the onion and garlic in. And then over here, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This gives it kind of like a cheesy taste. Amazing, amazing stuff here. And then also I like to top my mac and cheese with some roasted tomatoes. So I've got about 6 cherry tomatoes here, just halved. Put some salt and pepper on there, some olive oil, and then some dried thyme. So that's gonna go in the oven, roast it for about 15 minutes. So I've got the onion and garlic frying here. I'm steaming the butternut squash until it's nice and soft. And I've just got the water about to boil, ready there for the pasta in a minute. So in the blender I've got the cashews that have been soaking, and then the onion and garlic is nicely cooked now, so that's going to go straight in. And then 1/2 cup of the milk, straight in there. 2 tablespoons of the nutritional yeast. I know this has got the worst name, but it's such a staple in cupboards. Honestly, I don't know what it tastes like cheese, and it's got B12 in there, which is always good. Oh, a tip for getting juice out of lemon or limes, or to get the most juice, is to kind of roll it on a surface just loosens up the juice inside a little bit so you get more from it. Lemon juicer. Just need the juice of half a lime in there.
Lemon.
Lemon. There we go. Oh, it's spreading my face! Did that get you?
It didn't get me. You just made me jump.
God, it got in my eye. That would sting. Oh.
Classic Niomi.
Causing havoc in the kitchen. There we go. I think I got all the juice out.
Delia never. That never happens to Delia.
Yeah, that never happens to my jello either. Well, they don't show it in the cooking programmes anyway. Right, pinch of nutmeg. Seems like a weird one, but it's good in there. And normally I would add some mustard as well. I thought I had some, but I don't, so I'm just gonna have to do without. Let's see if this squash is cooked. A few more minutes, I think. We want that to be nice and soft. Should give the tomatoes a shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, yum. We want them nice and roasted. Delish.
Look at you, cocktail party, back in your slippers.
This is the reality of my life. Party, and then I put my slippers on and I come home and cook.
Cocktail party? Yeah, but I've got what I eat in a day to film, so...
Exactly. Can Bridget Jones? Got it. Oh my god, everyone, even strangers, she's like, I'm full, I'm full. And then we bumped into some friends at China Garden, and Mark got down, he's like, hi Daisy Marie, how are you? And she was like, I'm full. And she always holds her fingers up. So I've got my pasta on now. That is boiling away, it'll be done in about 5 minutes. Butternut squash, it's nicely steamed and nice and soft, so that's gonna go straight in here. The camera's gonna get all steamy. Gonna add some salt. This is pink Himalayan salt in here. And some black pepper. These are my salt and pepper, well, are salt and pepper shakers from Le Creuset, and I love them. I think they last a lifetime, so they say. Let's give this a little whiz up. And I'm going to add a little bit more milk in there. There we go, that'll do. So pasta is cooked, sauce is done. Just gonna pour this delicious, totally vegan macaroni cheese sauce in there and give that a good stir. By the way, if you can find a good quality macaroni pasta, obviously go for it. We just kind of went with whatever pasta we had in the cupboard, and it happened to be this spelt penne, but I have found a really lovely rice based macaroni pasta, which was absolutely delicious. So yeah, go with whatever pasta you want, but macaroni is obviously the preference for macaroni cheese. Oh wow, oh wow. And here it is, my finished macaroni cheese. I can't believe this is the first time Joe's having it. So excited about this.
Super excited. Hungry.
There we go. Right, time for bed. Pasta was really, really good. Joe loved it, which is always good. I'm definitely gonna have to make that one again. I don't know why I always forget about it, but it's delicious. I've been crying so much. We just watched About Time and haven't seen it in years. Like, I think I saw it when it first came out, and I totally like forgotten the storyline, and I've literally just been bawling my eyes out. But yeah, tidied up the kitchen, time to go to bed, got an early morning. But I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I always tell myself I need to film what I eat in a day videos more. And I know I haven't been doing them that frequently, and there's absolutely no reason why. So I'm going to tell myself again, I'm going to keep going with them and try and do them a bit more often. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon.